Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video. I'm bringing you 3 fall DIYs using all Dollar Tree products. Each one of these is quick, easy, inexpensive. They also are all items I'm using in my front porch makeover, but you can put these anywhere in your home. I have a front porch fall reveal coming next week. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button below so you don't miss it. Let's get started. For this first hayride sign, I'm using 4 of these rectangle Dollar Tree thankful signs. You could use any version of this that you like. Dollar Tree is selling a bunch of signs that look like this right now. Choose whatever you like. All you need is 4 that are the same size. That's the only thing you need to keep in mind. And I'm coating them with some thin layers of white spray paint. I grabbed white chalk paint because that's what I had, but any paint you had would work. Just the key is you want thin layers, let them dry. I did 2 coats and that was perfect. And this is going to hold up really, really well. It's Rust-Oleum chalk paint. It's a great paint. I absolutely love it. And then I'm using some black stickers that I also got at the Dollar Tree. I already had these. Again, use what you like. And I'm just putting the stickers onto the blocks to make the saying I want. So I'm doing hay rides on this block here, and then I'm going to do 10 cents on another block. I used 2 different types of stickers because I wanted 2 different fonts, if that makes sense. I thought that having 2 different fonts would make it look a little bit more like something that was store-bought with the different fonts, something that was printed. If you didn't want to use stickers, you could do hand lettering. If you had a Sharpie or a paint pen, if you feel confident with your hand lettering, you could also do stencils, whatever you had. Like I said, I used stickers I already had, so this made it really simple, really quick. I didn't have to go buy anything extra. Here I'm doing 10 cents, and I'll let you in on a little secret. I did 10 cents because that was a money denomination that used the fewest letters. If I did $10, I needed more stickers. If I did 50 cents, I needed more stickers. I kept it simple because I wanted no more room for error, right? The fewer stickers I used, the less chance I had of messing it up. And then I'm just using some hot glue here to glue my boards together. So I'm stacking them one on top of the other. The reason I'm doing this is I want it to look like shiplap, right? We all love Joanna Gaines. Shiplap is everywhere. I wanted to get that farmhouse country feeling, and this is a perfect way to do that. And you'll notice here that I didn't even paint the edges. I love this buffalo check that was already on it, and here it is put together. I think it's so pretty up against the mums. Like I said, I'm doing my fall porch reveal next week. These mums are not part of my actual porch decoration because I'm still waiting for all the mums and pumpkins to come in my stores. Moving on, I'm gonna make like a sign to prop up on my front porch, and I'm gonna use these picture frames. I picked up 7 different picture frames from the Dollar Tree. Again, use any picture frame you want. The only thing to keep in mind is they need to be the same size. And so from each one, I took out the insides, and I just took the little like picture that was in it, turned it around so I had a blank cardboard. I disposed of the glass carefully. I don't need it. And then I put the back in it. And then I'm gonna again give some really thin light coats of white spray paint. I'm using the same spray paint as the last project, and I put them outside in the sunshine so they dried really, really quick in between, guys. I think it took like just 10 minutes for my coats to dry. I did 2 coats and that was absolutely perfect. And then I'm gonna use some more black stickers. I love the black stickers Dollar Tree has. They have so many different fonts and designs, and I feel like when you use them, it makes your projects look really professional. So I just put 1 letter on each frame to make the word I wanted, which you can see here is harvest. I laid them back out outside, which is where I decided to do my gluing, and then I used this kind of like generic E6000 version of glue that Dollar Tree sells. Really, you could use any sort of glue you want, anything you have on hand. And then I just pressed them up together nice and tight, and then I let it dry for 24 hours. With this type of glue, you do want to let it dry for a nice long time. If you used hot glue, you could let it dry much quicker. And then here it is propped up outside. I think it's so pretty. So you guys have seen this look before, I'm sure. It's in all the stores, these big, tall signs that you prop up outside your front door. I wanted to get that look, but for a lot less. So for $7, I've got it. I think it's super charming, and you can make any word you want. And finally, I'm gonna make some really darling planters. I'm using these like tin buckets that Dollar Tree has year-round. I absolutely love them because they already have the twine on them. Gives it a little bit more of that country feeling. And then I'm using more black stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put some little messages on it. I'm gonna do a mom's bucket, and then I made the 10 cent. I took a C and then cut an L to get the little lines because there wasn't a cent sticker on there, but that's how I got that. And again, Mom's 10 cents, it didn't use many stickers, so I couldn't mess it up. And here it is all together. These are such charming planters for $1, guys. Doesn't this look like something that you might have got at Hobby Lobby or Joann Fabric? And you can fill them up with whatever you want. Flowers, pumpkins, gourds, pine cones, whatever. Like I said, I am waiting for my stores to come out with all their pumpkins and mums. I'm so anxious. I called Trader Joe's today and they said they have their heirloom pumpkins tomorrow. So guys, a full Porch fall reveal will be coming next week. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and let me know in the comments if you're gonna try any of this. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.